Hey, it's Mr. Leatherwood.
And Mrs. Hannah.
And we're finally learning to multiply like old people.
Ah, you'll like this.
Yeah, the parents will like this.
Yeah, they'll understand this and can help you.
Yeah. So this is how me and Miss Hannah were taught how to multiply. This is how your parents were taught how to multiply. It's the old-fashioned way.
Yeah, we're old-fashioned folks.
We say old-fashioned, but it's actually a quicker way in most cases because I think old people are lazy and we want it quick.
We just tell me how to do it. Let's get it done.
That's right. So let's show you how to do it. What do you want to? You want to do like 2 by 2 first?
Yes, let's start with 2 by 2.
So let's do 32 times 13.
Make sure you're writing this in your journal. You're doing it with us.
That's right. Okay, so it kind of starts off like the partial products way. So we're going to do 3 times 2, right?
Yep.
That's 6. And here's where it gets different. So instead of doing 3 times 30, even that's really what we're doing, we're just going to do 3 times 3, which gets us 96.
Oh, but that 9 is in the tens place, so it represents a 90.
Mm-hmm.
It's just taking that step out of writing 90 and adding them together.
Exactly.
Got it.
So it's really, I guess it's really doing 3 groups of 32, which is 96.
Okay.
So then we're going to go to the tens place, and we're going to do 10 times 2 and 10 times 3, but we kind of do a little shortcut, right?
Yes.
Oh, and you have a saying.
Yes, I have a saying to help us remember.
Okay.
Chicken scratch.
Okay, so do a little X or
we do an X like a chicken's foot. Oops.
Okay.
Smitten. And that's your chicken scratch because we've already done the 3. And then goose lays an egg. And that goose lays an egg just helps us to remember that we're moving to the tens place.
Okay.
We're done with the ones. So since we're multiplying in the tens place, we need to put that goose egg or that 0 in the ones place to move our answers into the tens.
Okay. Because really, if we wrote it out here, we're really doing this.
Yes, exactly.
And I think if we were doing this naturally, we would say, oh, we need to have a 0 the first thing.
Yep.
Okay, cool. So then we go basically 1 times 2 and 1 times 3. And so 1 times 2 is 2 and 1 times 3 is 3.
Yes.
And then just like the other one, we just add them up to get our answer. Ta-da.
Nice.
Did I do it right?
You did it right. Good job.
All right. So the hard part, I think, is when we add 3 by 2. Well, I guess it's not too bad.
Nah, it's just adding one more number to it.
Want to try?
Let's try it.
Okay. Oh, wait. I'll do this. You know, I could pause the recording when I do this, and they wouldn't see me do this. But
It's kind of fun.
yeah, what fun is that? All right, so what do you want to do now? Give me a number.
Let's see. Let's try 235
Okay.
times 46.
Awesome. Ooh, not a very good 6. Okay. So starting off, we're just going to do our ones place times everything, right?
Yes.
So our 6 times 5, 6 times 3, 6 times 2. So 6 times 5 is 30.
Remember to carry that 3.
Carry that 3 over. 6 times 3 is 18, but I have to add the 3 up there. 18, 19, 20, 21. Yes, I use my fingers. So y'all can't see that, but I use my fingers.
I saw it.
6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 more would be
14.
14. Okay, and then what's your little saying again?
Chicken scratch.
Okay.
Got to get rid of that 6. We're done. We multiplied them. And I also chicken scratch on the numbers I carry so they don't confuse me. Do I add those again? Nope, I'm done.
Well, that's smart.
And after chicken scratch, goose always lays an egg because now we're looking at not just 4. That's really a 40.
Okay. And then I'm going to go 4 times 5, 4 times 3, and 4 times 2.
Yes.
All right. So 4 times 5 is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 would be 14. Carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 more would be 9. And then we're done, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Add it up.
Ta-da.
Very good.
Is that it?
That is. So why don't we try one? Give them one, see
Okay.
if they can do it on their own.
Okay.
They could pause the video,
Mhm.
and then we'll show them how we did it, and maybe see if they can do it on their own, but check it, and then we'll give them some to do for homework.
I like that.
Okay.
All right. So let's see. What do you want to do?
Let's see. Let's try 734
Okay.
times 62.
All right. So y'all go ahead and pause the video and see what you get.
Don't
then,
cheat.
And then we'll show you. We'll show you how to do it. All right. Go ahead. All right. We're back.
All right, you got your answer?
I hope so.
Oh, I'm looking out there. I'm seeing some good answers.
All right. So here we go. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 7 is 14. The little saying, what is it?
Chicken scratch?
Chicken scratch.
Goose lays an egg. Did you remember?
We didn't have to regroup anything. on
No, that was a non-regrouper.
Okay, so now I'm going to do 6 times 4, 6 times 3, and 6 times 7. So 6 times 4 is 24. I have to regroup the two. 6 times 3 is 18, 19, 20, because I have to add those two up there. Regroup the two. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 2 more. 44. Did I do that right?
Looks right to me.
Hope so. Add these together. Really helps to know your facts.
It sure does.
See
We've
how
been
fast I
talking
did that?
about that and how we use them every day. Here they are again.
Regroup. There we go.
All right.
How'd you do? I hope you did well.
If you, for some reason, if maybe you're off by a little bit or maybe off by a lot, go back and find out why and go back and fix it. Because we've got a couple we want you to do on your own that we'll check in class together tomorrow.
I was wondering,
What was that?
do you think, I know we're not supposed to do a 3x3 this year, but I wonder if it would show them why we're putting a 0 down here.
To just show them one?
Just show them one, just so they could see that whenever we do an X, there's a 0, and if we went over one more.
2 X's, 2 zeros.
So I want to show, I know
Let's do it.
we're kind of getting ahead.
All right, y'all want to do it? Oh, did you hear that?
I heard.
Oh
They're
my
very
gosh.
excited. Very excited.
They're loving this.
They are.
Awesome.
All right, so I'll make it an easy one. 200. Ooh, that's not easy. Hold on. I don't want to do a 0 yet. 212. 151. Okay. So a little 6th grade stuff here.
Yes. Ooh,
All right.
yay.
So 1 times 2, 1 times 1, 1 times 2. Chicken scratch.
Goose lays an egg.
Okay. And like I said, really why we're doing this is because we're in the tens place.
Yes.
So we're multiplying it really by 50. That's why we add our 0. So then we're going to do the next one. 5 times 2 is 10. I'm going to regroup. 5 times 1 plus 1 would be 6. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, so then I'm going to mark out my 5, or chicken scratch. So I've got 2 x's here, and I'm really multiplying 100, right? 100 times 212. So now that I have 2 chicken scratches, I need to add 2 eggs.
Goose lays 2 eggs
That's
this
right.
time.
Because really, like I said, we're really doing 100 times 212. And we know that there's 2 zeros here, so there's going to be 2 zeros in our answer.
That's why we did all those partial products and boxes before, so you could see really what the numbers are.
Exactly. Before we did this shortcut way, right?
Yes.
So then we would do 1 times 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 1, and then we would add it all up. 8, 9, 10. Carry the 1. Ta-da. So
All right.
I just wanted to show them that you get 2 zeros when you're multiplying by 100. All right.
Awesome.
Now we're done.
Yep. Oh, but they're not.
Oh, that's right. They're not. We want to give them a couple.
Yes. And if you need to go back and look at some of these guys to look at the steps and what we're doing, please do that.
Definitely. All right. Let's give them a couple.
All right. Let's try 914
Okay.
times 93.
Okay.
Should we do another 3 by 2?
Sure.
How about 229
229
times 36?
Awesome. All right.
Looks good.
All right. Good luck.
Don't forget, chicken scratch, goose lays an egg.